Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carcy Denise. If this is your very first video, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that before you leave, you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys have read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review, and I did get this unit from iSee Hair on Amazon. It is their 8-inch bob 13x4 frontal, and as you guys saw, I did change her from a middle part to a side part, and I added some layers in her, gave her a little curl, and honey, is she not giving you all types of volume? Like look at that swing, okay? Look at that. Like, this hair is really nice, and I didn't have to glue the hair down. It's laying super flat on its own, which is always a plus, because y'all know, man, that glue, we ain't here, okay? We don't see eye to eye. So the fact that she lays all by herself without the glue is always a plus for me. Now the hair was, oh, where you come from? Hold on, y'all, let me curl her real quick. I don't know where she came from. There you go, sis. There you go, sis. Get you in there. Get you in line. I don't know where you come from. But as you guys saw, the hair was super easy to curl, straighten. It was super easy to lay the part. I did pluck it just a little bit and added some Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the parting. Swooped down a little piece of little baby hair there, and yeah, she was good to go. Like, I like this. It's really giving me like that messy bob look, you know. So yeah, hair is gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way you can get your hands on her. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.